Professor, classmates, good afternoon. I'm Wei-De, currently studying in the Master Program of Information Engineering Department of Fujian Catholic University. The current research topic is smart home control. The topic to be reported today is design and implement the convenient home appliance control with instant messenger software. I will present today's report with Tzu-Min Zhang. We also have other co-authors are Yi-Shiun and Yong-Yi Fanjiang and Chi-Huang. This is our agenda, include 5 topics: introduction, hardware architecture, software architecture, result of our experiment and conclusion. Introduction: technological innovation has changed people's lifestyles and at the same time has provided tremendous help to the improvement of human life quality. For example, when entering a stuffy room, as long as you pick up the remote control and turn on the power of the air conditioner, the stuffy room will quickly become colder. Each different electrical product has a dedicated remote control for control. Therefore, as you have more and more electrical products, you must learn more about the settings and operation method of different remote controls. In recent years, the rapid development of IoT has provided electrical products with more different control options, and our user can control electrical products without using a detached remote control. With specific control device, smart device can be used to remote control a variety of electrical products. Although this method solves the problem that different remote controllers may learn different operation methods. When using products of different devices, different applications must be installed in the smart device. Therefore, when using products of different devices, will face the need to install more new applications in smart device. This approach will cause problems for older users or users who use 3C products for the first time. In the future, there will be more electrical products controlled by smart devices on the market. Therefore, solving the problem of using multiple applications to control different products or controlling home appliances draw the interaction between smart device and chatbot will be home appliances control and implement future direction. Among the application of smart device, in addition to the application of audio and video playback, instant messaging software is an application that most people often use. Different from using phone and text messages to communicate with other people in the past. Now you can not only send voice and text messages through instant messaging software, but also make remote video calls. Chatbot is a computer program in instance messaging software for dialogue or text. It must use for customer server or information acquisition when the customer server function of the chatbot is integrated with the control function of the IoT. The user can connect and control specific remote home appliances through the chatbot. Home appliances with IoT function can also use chatbot customer server function to send a detect data to the user's instance messenger software. So we propose a control system combination with smart home servers that use the instance messenger software. Users communicate with chatbot and control home appliances, avoiding installing many applications in the same smart device. Through the lower power Bluetooth broadcasting method, when the user approaches the device, the user will receive a notification from the device and connection the control. The architecture diagram is shown in figure 1. Next topic, hardware architecture. In next topic, we will explain the concept of hardware design and exact hardware integration module function. Generally, when a user enters a room, he cannot immediately understand the current environmental value of the room, which makes it impossible to accurately set the household appliances so that the room is close to the ideal space environment. Therefore, the hardware of the short distance control module SDCM is divided into several parts: microcontroller unit, wireless module, Bluetooth module, a luminous sensor, temperature and humidity module, camera and relays, the luminous sensor, temperature and humidity sensor always detect the brightness, temperature, and humid, hum, humidity of the room and report those values to the MCU. The Bluetooth module detects a specific smart device that was being paired and detects whether the device is close to the SDCM. The relay is connected to the home appliances that needs to be controlled. The MCU will decide whether to turn or off the lights, fans, or even electric locks in the room. According to the user command, the hardware structure as shown in figure 2. I would like to hand this presentation over to the next speaker, Tzu-Min Zhang.
Next topic, software architecture. In the next topic, we will explain the operating process between the system and the smart device. Figure 3 is the software flowchart of SDCM. This system uses instant messaging software to control SDCM. Therefore, before using the system, user must join a dedicated instant messaging software message group and turn on the Bluetooth function in the smart device. When the system is started, SDCM will turn on the Bluetooth broadcast function, which will search for nearby smart device that have joined the message group. When the device approaches the SDCM hardware device, the system will receive the hardware information of the smart device and activate the sensor to detect the surrounding environment. At the same time, the system uploads the data collected by the sensor to the cloud platform. The message group of the detected instant messaging software will receive the environmental data collected by SDCM, and the device can be remotely controlled directly from the message group of the instant messaging software. The user can understand the correct environmental value according to the reply message sent by the SDCM to the instant messaging software, and use the instant messaging software to complete the function of monitoring and controlling electric equipment. Next topic: results of our experiment. In the next topic, we will show the hardware setting of SDCM and the operation screen of the instant messaging software. The left part of the picture is the hardware device entity, and the right part is the operation process of SDCM in the message group of the instant messaging software. SDCM hardware equipment is mainly installed in the specific areas of the home or specific electrical equipment for environmental monitoring and remote control. Figure 4a is the prototype of SDCM. It is installed between the power block of the electrical equipment and the power sockets on the wall. In order to allow users to quickly grasp the environmental data of the room when they enter the room, SDCM has temperature, humidity, and brightness detection functions, which can provide the function of regional environmental data. It can be connected to manually controlled electrical equipment such as electrical lights, electrical fans, and electronic locks. The system also has a camera module that can be used for access control. Figure 4b is the operation screen of the instant messaging software. When the smart device approaches the SDCM, the system sends the detected environmental data to the detected message group. The user can remote control the device through the detected message group interface. In Figure 4b, the upper part is the environmental data returned by the hardware device, and the lower part is the function of the remote control of the electrical equipment. Final topic: conclusion. The Internet of Everything will be the future trend and will also change people's daily life patterns. Faced with the continuous development of new consumer electronic products and the smart home application device, reducing the complexity of operating device and integrating the system device of various manufacturers will be an important part of IoT control. Therefore, controlling the IoT device through instant messaging software will be another more friendly operation method. This method will also reduce the problem that users need to relearn the operation method when installing different devices. The above is my report today. Thanks for your attention.